Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this video, our heroes are trying to make a well kebab in a historical Ottoman tandoor. We can understand the logic of the well kebab in this video, and if there is a suitable place such as a garden, you can make this kind of well. You can cook delicious chicken tandoori or lamb turkey. For the tandoor, the well should be 1 meter deep and covered with heat-resistant bricks. Wood in the range of 10-20 centimeters is burned in the well to form embers. Spices such as salt, thyme, black pepper, cumin, chili pepper are added and mixed with liquid sunflower oil. The prepared mixture is spread on the lamb meat. The meat is completely covered with sauce. There is a whole lamb here. You can pre-season it and leave the meat for a few hours. The most important factor in making well kebab is lamb. Even though kebab is made from sheep and goats, it is not as tasty as lamb. Wire is tied to the ends of the bones so that the meat can be hung on the iron. Mixing the fire and adjusting the embers rate. pot of water is added to the embers. In fact, everything was done right up to this point, but this water must be boiling. This water had to boil to add the meat. The meats are hanging on the iron and they are not in a hurry to cover the well. It's a mistake. The biggest mistake they make here is to mix this fire. If you try to do it, cover the well as soon as possible. The fire is already high, no need to stir. The tandoori oven should be covered so that it is not ventilated. The well kebab is left here for at least 3 hours, but we know that this fire is very high, and you can probably guess that the meat is burning. We can say that this is the case because the lambs are put on a bit too high heat, and the meats are a little too brown. But still, this is a video that inspired us for the logic of the well kebab. In fact, there is no other problem other than a high fever. The spice seems like a lot, but this is not a major problem. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new recipe video. Goodbye.